Okay, once again, you are welcome to this training course. In our last video, I was about adding the what we do, and I actually told us that before we take on the next video, I would have added the subsequent pages. For example, when you come to your dashboard here, and straight away you click on all pages. This page here. When you click on all pages, for example, it's going to show us all the existing page that we've actually worked on. This page now, just click on all pages. So you see all the pages, and you notice I've added the other pages. So this the nature of arrangement here is such that it's arranged alphabetically: about, musician, contact, home. These just the pages. When we're working on the menu, we alter that. So this is what we do. You notice that the other time. So what I do is to create shared education, feeding and care, medical intervention, poverty alleviation, and all these are all sub menu to this particular to what we do. So for example, when you click it here, it gives you the opportunity to edit, you understand, or to remove or do anything you want to do on this page here. So you see that here we are, child education, educational support to orphans, scholarship scheme. You have this here. So you can decide to this where we have the parent, like we did in one of the other menu earlier. So the parent is what we do. So it's going to stay under entities. So assuming you are making any changes, now what you do is what you update. Since we've not make any change, you come back and you go back to our pages. So also I actually added the contact us page, and when you notice on the contact us page too, the contact us page just contains the address of the organization. This is the link, tenderblog.org/contact us. That's it. It has no parent, it's just on its own. So for example, I was trying to throw in some other light, like for example, I want to change the address or phone number. I can alter that here. But for example, we want to add some other things to this page. If you notice some professional site today, you realize that on your contact us page you can have the Google map. When you have Google map indicating where your office address is, or you are doing that for a client, telling your client to really appreciate that. Wow, that's Google map. So what you do is for example, there's a plugin that actually power Google map, and the next thing you do is you try and download the plugin. You go to Google and you ask Google very quickly, like Google just tap it there to search Google map, plus WordPress. That's a plugin. Let me see, a WordPress plugins that actually work with Google Map. I'm looking Google Map now. As a plugin that you can actually plug. Plugin means to plug it, and it's in. So let's see what we have here. I'm actually trying to show us how we can actually download our plugin. For example, if you see theme the same way too, you can actually download your theme online like this, and once you've downloaded, you install. So very quickly, this particular plugin is loading. Okay, so here we have this page. We are done with this, so let's go to our pages. So let's look at our website. This is our website now. See that home, our home page, the about us, the contact us, the what we do. you find all the links down here on what we do here. Understand? So very quickly, you have that WordPress, for Google Maps. This is version 6.3. I think I saw another one or two lines ago, version 9 point something. Let me see. Let's try this. Comprehensive Google Map plugin. Okay, so you notice there that these are full page now. Okay, we still have a lot of work to do anyway. So that's contact us. The idea of mapping is just by the wayside. I'm just trying to introduce to us how you can actually, as in, download a plugin in any capacity. So one other thing is this very quickly. This is just a conventional, as in, website. For example, there are no images. This is not beautiful enough, for example. But one other thing is key. Each of these pages we've worked on are on their own. The only thing we could actually add now are pictures to each of these pages. Okay, so in this same website now, we need to add a blog. So there's a position for a blog. So, but our blog actually is not going to be a page. It's going to be part of the menu here. We're actually building a blog. We are going to position our blog as a category. You understand? We're going to position. I will actually make it a page. You understand? I will connect that to connect it to a particular category. But what it depends on your approach. Well, in every individual have different approach to that. What I'm going to do is to create a particular category. If you are working on a blog now, for example, using the same theme, I did something here. Yeah, this one I'm just test running this also. I'm changing all this theme completely. This one West Africa, the same thing. But look at what we have here. This is like a blog. We have news, we have entertainment, we have event, we have celebrity, we have music, we have tourism, we have about us and contact us. So if you look at this very critically, you realize that the same way you can also build this kind of a site. Then we still have some other things to do on this site too. This is supposed to be Africa leading entertainment and news celebrity event site. So West Africa, there's a whole lot of work to do. But from all indication now, you should not be surprised about how I achieved this. But the thing is, these are not just pages. This is the only page you have here. This and this, about us and contact us. Every of these other links are all what? They are all categories, blogs categories. So right now, so since this whole site is blog, so we only have 2 pages. But under tender help is a website, so I'm going to be adding a category. So when you come here, you create a category. So we're going to create a category, and that category actually have to do with, as in, that's our blog now. So I'm going to also show us here, for example, I'm going to log into the back end of this and show us how to achieve this very quickly. Just give me your time and we'll achieve that very quickly. So here we are. I call this what? Blog. That means this is the blog, and we're combining a blog with the main website. Okay, there's no other parent, or let me just say tender help, or tender, or just say our blog, something like that. Okay, there's no other. This, the description just means this is where our blog post lies. Okay, you add that there, and when it's done, it's fully added. You see it. Okay, let's go back here. Google Maps 6 point, Google Maps 9 point. Okay, so what you can do is what you download. Sorry that I'm actually trying to do more than one thing at a particular time. I just want to do everything possible to make sure we get this properly. Okay, so you click on download. It's downloading already, and you know how to upload. So it's in the download. What you notice is it's going to be in the download folder. So let me conclude this video. Understand very quickly. Let me conclude it. We've already added our blog now. Okay. So all you do is what? Let me come to plugin. Please add new to the plugin now. You can, but it's good to always plan your work. When you do plugin, you do plugin. When you do page, you do page. So right now I'm adding the Google Map plugin into our website. So you've already looked at the plugins, you've studied it. It's a simple, intuitive, you understand? It's functional, okay, 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 compatible even with the latest, okay. You have to be careful with the kind of plugins you install anyway. Some plugins can actually, as in, put your site, turn your site upside down. Upload plugin. So I'm going to choose this now. I'm going to go to the download folder. So not here now. I'm going to go to the download folder and I'm going to search for comprehensive, there's a comprehensive, I'm looking for comprehensive, this is comprehensive Google Map. So what I do is what, I open it and I install. That's a 7%. Okay, that was done. So I'm going to show us the back end of this, the dashboard of this site, to see how we're able to achieve this on its own. And in our next video, very quickly, now that we've uploaded a category here, so you see that what you will notice now is that blog will not appear here. You won't see it here because all these are just pages appearing directly. They are not your menu. So we're going to work on where our menu should appear, our menu should work. So very quickly, let's try and make that happen. Now let's try and do that. So what we've been able to do here is to show you how I added all these other pages. Okay, and on that note, let's move to the next course where we're going to be reviewing and be looking at how to make our menu and add that blog post there, and subsequently to how to now create our blog. You understand? But everything we'll be doing is to add page. And when you want to create the blog, what do? You post. So for bloggers, you can only create 1 or 2 pages, probably about your company. For example, when you look at this existing this website, for this news website, they all run like a blog. For example, this news, they are all categories: entertainment categories, fashion and style categories, lifestyle is a category, because in each category there are other different kind of news inside there. But when you go to about, you understand, you find what, a page, contact us, a page, partners, I'm sure is a page, contributors. The same way, for example, you go to Vanguard, you see a whole lot of categories there. You understand? You see news, sports, but you always see what, all these are all categories, form of a blog now, as in full functional categories. And these are what, you see that again, there's another home here, even goes about us. You understand? It's a page. Advertise with us. I think that may actually contain information about the price of advertisement and among other things. So that's about that. So very quickly, please, let's go to the next video where we're going to be looking at how I'm going to log us back to the back end of this Swag West Africa website, and at the same time too, I'm going to be showing us how to create our menu. So our next business line is our menu creation, and after the menu creation, we'll be looking at creating our full-blown blog proper. I think that's when I'm going to introduce to us how we're able to achieve this, and also how we're going to create the blog for automated live. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.